Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most insightful product reviews. Today, we're going to tackle a household essential, vacuum cleaners. Specifically, we'll be delving into Bissell 2554 CrossWave Cordless reviews to help you make an informed decision when it comes to keeping your home spick and span. Certainly. Here is features benefits about the Eureka Lightweight Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Cordless convenience. This vacuum cleaner operates without the limitations of a cord, providing you with the freedom to move around your home without being tethered to an outlet. Lightweight design, weighing only a few pounds, it is easy to carry and maneuver. The lightweight design makes it ideal for quick cleanups and effortless storage. Powerful suction. Despite its compact size, this vacuum cleaner delivers powerful suction, effectively picking up dirt, debris, pet hair, and more from various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Swivel steering. Maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces is a breeze thanks to its swivel steering feature. Easy to empty dustbin. Say goodbye to messy vacuum bags. This vacuum cleaner comes with an easy-to-empty dustbin, simplifying the process of disposing of collected dirt and debris in a hygienic and convenient manner. Long runtime. Equipped with a reliable battery, it offers a decent runtime on a single charge, allowing you to tackle multiple rooms without constant recharging. Versatile cleaning. This cordless vacuum cleaner is versatile and suitable for a variety of surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors to tile, making it a versatile cleaning tool for your entire home. Benefits. Portability. The cordless design provides the freedom to reach every corner without being tethered to an outlet, making it suitable for both large and small living spaces. Efficient cleaning. Its powerful suction ensures efficient removal of stubborn dirt, pet hair, and debris, leaving your home cleaner and fresher. User-friendly. The lightweight and maneuverable design, along with features like swivel steering, make it user-friendly and easy for anyone in the household to use. Low maintenance. With no bags to replace and an easy-to-empty dustbin, maintenance is minimal, saving you time and money in the long run. Please be aware that the specific features and benefits of the product may vary based on the model and version. For the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding this particular product, we recommend referring to the product's description and user reviews to see that. Click the link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative reviews, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.